Hello. Excuse me, I'm a little sick, but I want to proceed on my project. Since the last video, a lot has happened. I've built this Pelton turbine from an old hoverboard motor and 3D printed these buckets on it. Installed it on this aluminum frame, and yeah, can turn it on so you can see. I have a bypass here, so let's open that first. You can see it's spilling a little bit more on the right side, so I have to adjust the nozzle a little bit, but let's turn that off and it's going. Yesterday I measured the voltage. It was around 12 volts, which is not enough. I need at least 30 under load. So this was 12 volts without load. I mentioned in the last video I have a 20mm pipe here that is limiting me. ChatGPT calculated that with my flow rate that I'm currently running, I'm losing about 13 meters of head, and since I only have a head of 20 meters, I'm losing a lot, more than half of it basically. I need a bigger pipe, that's for sure, but I want to check out the rest of my terrain, because it's going all the way down there. I have a length of 67 meters from up there to here. I measured 2 bar or around about 30 psi at this spot. Now I'll take the pipe, pull it all the way down, take my second measurement, and then I'm planning to do a third measurement, repeating all the steps downhill, and then I know how my absolute potential is. So if I want to go crazy and buy, I don't know, 200, 250 or 300 meters of pipe, I know what the outcome might be. Now I'm down at the river, the lowest point I can reach, and I'm reading another 2.1. Yeah, it's getting really steep, so this stretch actually is would be the best option for in terms of pipe efficiency, in terms of how much head height and how much pipe length I would have to buy. I have to calculate the pipe length because I had to shorten it a little bit. I'm back up at the plateau. The last measurement was from this end, right down to the river. As you can see here, I have quite some slack, which doesn't give me any head height. We'll measure this piece right until here, then pull the rest up, measure the whole pipe, and then I'll know the length of it and know the head height of this part of the section, or if this might be actually the better choice. And then I'll measure again from this part right up there. This will be the middle part where almost no head height is given. I am now at the bottom of this plateau. I measured from back there to here to know how much head is in this flat spot, and it shows me Whoops, come on, focus. It's 0.9 bar. So it's something, but yeah. I will make another video where I describe what I measured, since it's getting a little complicated and I am maybe as confused as you are. It's a complicated topic.